Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Discord, how to turn on hardware acceleration. Click Discord Home. Click Settings. Click Appearance. Turn on hardware acceleration. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.